Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be microwaving a peep, Easter special, yada yada yada. Yeah, that's it. That's the entire thing. This is a stupid video. Wait, magic snap. See, there we go. We got the peep. We got the thing. Now let's take it over to the microwave. 1 second. We got peep. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. And then second. I'll skip the timer and okay, done. Oh no! It doesn't even look like a peep anymore. What is that creature? Okay, let's get a closer look at that creature. What is that? Is that the eyes? What is that? Oh, it's weird and warm. Okay, let's not wait for this to cool down. That's what the outside is for. I'll come back when the peep is done. Okay, it's mostly done cooling down. And now we're going to put it back in the microwave. This is such a stupid idea. Why did I come up with this? Probably asking why didn't I just cook for 1 minute? Well, the reason is because it gets hotter and hotter the more you cook it. Okay. Okay. So I'll get back to you when it's done. And boom. Oh my goodness! What? It's pulsating. Whoa. Okay. Mission success. It is now turned into a pancake. I hope everyone liked this video. This was a very stupid idea. See you in the next